Today, with this cool little kitchen gadget, I will show you how to boil a perfect hard-boiled egg. There are two ends to an egg: the small size and the large size. My husband got this new yellow plastic tool, shown here. When the large end of an egg is inserted, the tool's pin-sized needle pokes a hole through the shell without puncturing the egg's membrane, so no egg leaks out. The pinhole allows the water that the egg is boiling in to seep between the membrane and the inside of the shell. This enables the boiled egg to be easily peeled, leaving almost perfectly peeled, hard-boiled eggs. These look great on a plate when preparing them for appetizers, for example. I will take 8 large eggs that I prepped with the tool and put them in cold water on my stovetop. I will bring the water to a rolling boil. At this point, I will take the eggs off the burner and let them sit there for 17 minutes because when I started this, I took them from right out of the refrigerator. Otherwise, if they were at room temperature before I began, I would let them sit in the water for 15 minutes. If you are using small or medium eggs, the sit time is 12 minutes. Once the time is up, I will take the eggs to the sink and run them under cold water. I want them cool enough so I can comfortably peel them. And the timer is set. Now to the sink, run them under water to cool the eggs down, and begin peeling them. There is a little trick to make sure your hard-boiled eggs are done. Take one out of the water and put it on your countertop and try to spin the egg. It should spin just like shown here. These are done. Alright, let's start peeling. Gently tap the egg against the sink and roll the egg in your hands. This will crack the shell enough so that all of the shell comes off of the egg in large pieces. Try not to be too rough with the egg. You can run the water again over the egg as you peel it or just rinse it in the water in the pan. This helps to get any small pieces off of the egg. This egg looks perfect. I will go ahead and finish peeling these eggs. I am leaving a couple of eggs to the side and will use them in a recipe I will post on my channel later. These look really great. Now, let's cut one open and see how it looks. How perfect! The eggs do not have that dark line around the egg's cooked yolk. They are the color and texture we are looking for. Taking the eggs off the stovetop burner, once the water was boiling, and letting the eggs rest to the side is why they turned out this way. So, thanks for watching, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel, This Meal This Time. See you next time when I will show you a very different way to enjoy a hard-boiled egg. Enjoy!